Today I'm taking a look at the SDFM X15 electric air duster. So we have our manual and we have our duster. So we do have a removable nozzle. This is a twist style. I prefer those over the magnetic style because a magnetic, I've actually had those things get knocked off a couple of times. They are nice, but then you have to of course go find it. The twist style lock I usually do not have a problem with. We do have a nice large fan on there with a lot of different blades. We got a USB-C charging port on the bottom. And this is interesting. This actually comes with extra nozzles. So I've yet to see that with one of these style dusters. Most of the time they just come with this nozzle and you do not get anything else. So we got a couple extra long ones in case we got to reach inside of tight areas. We also have our charging cable. That's USB-A to USB-C. Oh, look at that. This also comes with a wide nozzle. We got a carrying pouch, and that comes with a handful of brushes, so you can use this for a full detailing kit. We also have a charger, so that's another thing you don't normally see with one of these dusters. Usually you have to find your own charger, but with this one, it actually comes with it. That is good for 100 and 240 volts. So that's good for international or domestic. It outputs 1.8 amps at 5 volts. So I am just going to use the default nozzle. All right, we got 3 bars, and it does come fully charged. That is excellent. And as expected with these, this does have a lot of power. I am surprised at the amount of power that these modern dusters are putting out. So let's go ahead and reduce that. And I'm not even holding the button, so this actually can run without you having to crimp your fingers up. So that's nice. Let's go back up to full. So we do have a momentary, and we can see a full power. This has quite a bit of power. Much more mild and medium. And then at low, if you're going to be dusting sensitive electronics or anything like that, this will be very useful for that. Yeah, very handy little duster. So overall, that is a very nice duster.